Today we celebrate International Day of Women and Girls in Science.
It's the perfect opportunity to meet with 3 colleagues at Caldic to discover their backgrounds and personal journeys. So let's talk with Anna, Michelle and Bijal to explore what science means to them and hear the advice they would share with girls and young women entering the STEM field.
You truly never stop learning in this field. There is always something new to discover, and no 2 days are ever the same.
It's a lot of fun. You get to experiment on a daily basis. And I think there's lots and lots of opportunities in the science. You help patients, you help people, you help the environment.
Go for it. If you have a specific interest, follow it. There are women on the same path, and you will find support along the way from peers, mentors, and a growing community that wants you to succeed.
Continue to be curious and be less afraid of failure, no matter how scary it may be. So go out there and try new things, because this is how we make progress in our scientific discoveries and even our careers.